How to fix Discord does not have access to this photo. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So we will search just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and go to storage option. Then go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And don't forget the last things is going to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.